Research by the BBC has revealed that Cornwall Council made the sixth highest total of annual savings of nearly 200 councils surveyed across the country. The authorities had to fill a £50 million hole in its budget, forcing it to focus money on services it legally has to provide. Our Cornwall political reporter Seb Noble's been to see what that means for one area which they can't afford to fund.
Wadebridge Leisure Centre used to be Cornwall Council's responsibility. They couldn't afford to keep running it, so a local community group took over instead. The authority admits other centres will need investment, though, to make them fit for the future. Money it doesn't have, which is causing concern.
If you took a more long-term and holistic view of the council budget and getting bang for the buck, investing in really upgrading, maintaining the facilities that we have, that's going to give you much more bang for your buck.
Cornwall Council has to legally provide certain services like adult social care or home-to-school transport for kids. They're increasingly expensive. They take up more and more of its budget, meaning there's less money to spend on other things. That's why charitable organisations and community groups have had to take over the running of leisure centres instead, including this one here in Falmouth. The only problem here is there's no working pool. Nearly a third of children in Cornwall leave primary school unable to swim 25 metres unaided. Campaigners say it's vital to retain easy access to pools for youngsters.
There aren't that many places that schools and young people can go that's affordable and easy to go to learn how to swim. So it's absolutely imperative that as many centres are safe and secure and financially stable, so they're going to still be around in 30 years' time is just essential.
Cornwall Council's making £50 million of savings this year, with more to come in future. The man in charge of finances regrets they can't invest in leisure.
If you keep people fit and healthy, it's good for their mental health, it's good for everything. That means they're better able to go and get a job, they're less likely to be needing to go to the doctor because they're fit, and yet leisure services in general are a discretionary area of spend.
A group representing councils fears they're at risk of just becoming a care service without more money in future, as Cornwall Council just tries to keep its head above water. Seb Noble, BBC Spotlight, Wadebridge.